Hey guys, today we have the latest laptop from Xiaomi, and this one is called the Mi Notebook Pro. It's a OLED 15. Okay, so this is a very new laptop, and of course there's another variant, which is the X variant. We were able to score this from China, of course not the X variant. And how about that? Go ahead, open this up. I have here the all-new laptop from Xiaomi, and I have the AMD edition of the Mi Notebook Pro OLED 15. Now, of course, this is just a basic packaging. Inside, there's another box. So we just want to open it up and see for ourselves that there is another box indeed inside. Now, taking it out, the packaging is the same as the one that we saw from the Xiaomi Pad 5 in China, and also the global variant is a white box, just a very simple white box, just like this one. So take off the styro, and on one styro we have a HDMI cable, which is of course attachment, since the laptop doesn't have any HDMI port, so we need something like this to expand. Now, putting it aside, we are going to open the laptop itself right now. So I'm quite excited. So taking the box off, we have the laptop itself, which is packed really nice. So taking it out, you can see that it's a color gray variant of this one, since maybe it's just only has one color. And we have a welcoming note inside of this one. So taking it out, there's just the user manual and, well, a cleaning cloth. We have two more things inside, which is the C to C cable, as well as the 100 watts fast charging brick, which is definitely fast. Right now, I'm going to take it out of its packaging. There you go. Okay, so you can see that's really looking very premium. Okay, so you can see the Xiaomi print over here. Then underneath, we can see that we have your Windows license in the Radeon graphics. We have a Windows Office Student Edition 2019 license. This is the vent. We have some sound speakers over here. We have 4 rubber bootings over here at the bottom. Okay, make sure it doesn't skid. And let's check the ports. We have a USB Type-C port over here. Then we have a audio jack over here. On the other side, we have 2 USB Type-C port and nothing else. No HDMI port, no Thunderbolt, and of course, no Thunderbolt version 4 port over here. So opening it up, you can see that the screen is nice. It's very glossy though. So you have this paper from here. So you can see that this is the keyboard layout. Very nice, almost the same as that of the Mac. And we have a special Xiaomi AI button over here, and we have your fingerprint scanner over here. And this is the Ryzen 7 sticker. We have a very generous touchpad, wherein it's big enough for all those gesture like this. Okay, so definitely it's very nice. So we're going to boot it up. So guys, right now we'll be booting up this laptop, the Xiaomi Mi Notebook OLED 15, and you can see the Xiaomi logo here. It's the latest logo of Xiaomi, and definitely I can say that the screen resolution is bright. Okay, so yeah, so right now this is my default screen. So can say that the max brightness is definitely bright. So I've turned on the night mode on this one. So right now we're running a little bit yellowish here since we have turned on the night mode. So we'll go to display. I'll turn off the night mode. So right now it's a little bit more whitish. Okay, so you can see the color difference definitely Right now, it's a little bit better since, yeah, I turn off the night mode. So every time that it hits 10 in the evening, I turn on the night mode automatically on its own. Now, I've done a lot of tasks on this one, and I'm definitely very happy. So the keyboard on this one definitely is very nice to type on. What I like about it is that there's a Xiaomi AI button over here, but of course, after formatting into English, this one is already missing. I cannot use it anymore. Now, I also have a nice fingerprint scanner here, which is very responsive. And what I like about this one is that they have separated the up and down on this one, definitely making a lot better with each having its own individual button. Now, uh, and of course, I can say that the touchpad is definitely very generous. Can do all your gesture over here, like this one, triple finger swipe, double finger swipe, pinch it open, pinch it close, zoom in, zoom out. Definitely, I like it. Okay, so this one, the Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro OLED is running on the AMD Ryzen 5800H. Definitely, it's a very fast processor, having an AMD RX Vega 8 as its GPU. Now, this processor is released on the Q1 of 2021. Definitely, it's the latest one, and the screen is definitely very bright. Now, it has a max brightness of 600 nits, which is above other laptops of around 400 nits as an industry standard. Of course, having a screen to body ratio of 91% and the screen size is 15.6 E4 OLED. Okay, Corning Gorilla Glass protection is definitely a plus. Okay, so more scratch resistance. And the resolution on this one is 3456 by 2160 and having a 261 ppi and 170 degree of view angle. Now, probably the one thing that I don't like about this one is it's only 60 hertz. Could have bumped it up to 120, 144. Could have been better. This one sports a 3.5K display. Definitely, it's a bonus. Still above other laptops, which sports only at around 2K at the most or 2.5K at the most. And right now, we're going to run some videos here, checking some 4K videos over here. So if you're watching 4K videos on this one, definitely it's very enjoyable. Now, I can say the display is really nice, really crisp, and really sharp at 3.5K. Now, try to check other videos here, 4K videos. Now, watching some 4K videos on this one, I'm sure that you're going to enjoy a lot since it is very nice. I can say it's very sharp, it's very punchy. And yeah, I enjoy watching some of my favorite shows here on this laptop. Definitely, I can say the resolution is nice. Now, missing that 90 hertz or 120 hertz of screen refresh rate is definitely not a very big deal that might stop me from buying this laptop. Now, I can say that the 600 nits is very bright enough, and of course, probably you might want to, probably if you're a gamer, the refresh rate might be a big deal breaker for you, but definitely for me, it's not, okay? So now this laptop runs on the Windows 10 single language Chinese x64. Now I was able to port it over to English. There's no problem about it. And of course, I have a 16 gig of RAM, LPDDR4X, and a 512 of PCIe SSD storage. Now, probably one thing that I miss on this one is a HDMI port, but there's always a dongle, so there's not really much of a problem. And a Thunderbolt 4 port is missing on this one. Could have been better if there's a Thunderbolt 4. Now, the DTS audio dual speaker on this one is not the loudest that I've experienced on any laptop. I have tried those with 4 speakers. It's definitely a lot louder than this one, a lot clearer than this one, but you can always put on your favorite headphones if you want louder speakers. Now this laptop has a 2x2 MIMO Wi-Fi 6 capability and a Bluetooth 5.1. The camera on this one is very bright. It has a 720p display HD resolution, and I was able to use it a lot on Zoom meetings, online conferencing, online schooling, and I can say that it's definitely a standout one. Now, the battery on this one is 66 watt hour, and it can withstand you up to 13 hours of uh, endurance. And of course, having 100 watts of charger is very fast in loading this one up. Now, fingerprint scanner is definitely a very nice added security feature. This one, you can even use MIUI share on this one if you have Xiaomi phones together with this one. And what more can I say? The Xiaomi AI definitely is also another bonus, except that it only runs on Chinese Windows language. And the price of this one is right now pegged at 6,709 RMB, which is the currency in China. Was able to buy this in Xiaomi in Beijing. And yeah, of course, shipping is still not included. And overall, I can say that experience on this one, I'm really satisfied. And well, having that nice display is definitely going to give you a better immersive experience when watching your favorite videos on this one. And I have yet to try editing some videos on this one, but I'm sure that this processor can be much of a performer, and there's no doubt about it that this one definitely is a nice buy. If you can, of course, if you can buy it on your local country. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. And I hope to see you on the next one.